Hi everyone, welcome back to App Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address to Twitch account. If you've used a certain email address aligned or assigned to your Twitch account, but you want to change it to something else, this is the video that you need. So stick with me till the very end. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed to App Guide, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Also, hit the bell notification icon and select all in order to not miss out on any of our future tutorial videos. Now, without further ado, let's begin with this video. First of all, head over to your Twitch app. As you open the Twitch app, you will see that on the top left corner, there's a profile icon. So simply tap on profile icon. And now after this, select account settings. When you land on an interface like this, tap on security and privacy. And then the very first option says email. Tap on email. Now after doing this, it will show you that your current email is given, but if you'd like to change it, what would you like to change it to? So simply type in the email address that you'd like to change it to. Here I'm going to change it to something like this. And now after you're entering the details of your email, tap on next on the top right corner. And then here it says that a verification code will be sent to your new email address that you've just assigned to this particular Twitch account. So you can either go to your email and see if you've received any verification code. So here I'm just going to go and see. But it looks like I have not received any. So it's not compulsory that you verify your account. So you can just skip this procedure by tapping on the top right skip button. And then as you can see here, my email address has changed. I need to verify the email, but you can verify it anytime. So in this way, you can change your email to your Twitch account. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure you let us know if this was helpful in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.